Alright, this is 5-3 binomial PDF, binomial probability distribution function. We're going to use the calculator, and this is the second video. Alright, we're going to look very specifically at example 5-17. A survey found that 1 out of every 5 Americans says he or she visited a doctor in any given month. If 10 people are selected at random, find the probability that exactly 3 will have visited a doctor last month. Now, in order to do a binomial PDF on the calculator, we need to find 3 things. We need to find n, the total number of trials, p, the probability of a success, and x, the number of successes total that we are counting. So when we go back to the word problem, we know that 1 out of every 5 Americans visited. Alright? So that means P for our number of successes is 1 out of 5. Alright, if 10 people are selected at random, wait, how many people did we ask? How many people gave a yes-no response? 10 people. That's going to be our N. And we want exactly 3. Alright, now, if it wasn't exactly 3, if it was 2 or 3, we'd have to add the probabilities together. Notice the use of the word or. If it was at least 1, we might do the complement that none of them did. Now remember, it's possible you could ask 10 people and none of them could have seen the doctor. Only one of them. All 10 of them could have. And each of these are different probability experiments that we would have to look up and use the binomial distribution for. Alright, so we're going to use the calculator as promised. N is 10, P is 1/5 or 20%, and X is 3. On an older style calculator, alright, we're going to go to distributions. So second, distributions. We have the normal PDF, the normal CDF, we will use a bunch of these later on. But at the bottom we have binomial, which is what we're interested in. Now there is binomial PDF and binomial CDF. PDF is for exactly one value. If you're only looking up one value, you're using PDF. Otherwise, we use CDF, and I will talk about that in another video. Same will go for Poisson or geometric or the other ones we're using. Alright, so since we're looking up one value, it's binomial PDF. Hit enter. Now, on the newer style calculators, you can have a drop-down menu with prompts for this information, and you're going to hit paste, and it will paste what I'm doing right here. Now, it goes in order. N, P, X. Total number of trials, the likelihood of the success, the number of successes we're looking for. So we had 10 trials. It was 1/5 or 20%, equivalent 0.2, and we're looking for exactly 3 values. Close the parentheses and hit enter. That is what we would have gotten if we did the full-on formula that they gave us earlier. But the likelihood that asking 10 people if they go to the doctor on a given month out of 1/20 or 1/5 go to it, 20% go to the doctor in a given month, and we want exactly 3, this is the formula. That's the answer.